Madre, weón.
Powerful 6.9 magnitude earthquake strikes northern Chile, supermarket shelves collapse, and massive blackout hits Calama. A powerful earthquake suddenly shook northern Chile on Monday evening, sending residents into panic as strong tremors rattled buildings, supermarkets, and mining sites across the region. The 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck at 5:52 p.m. local time, with its epicenter located about 20 kilometers northeast of Calama in the Antofagasta region. According to the University of Chile's Seismological Center, the earthquake occurred at a depth of approximately 114 kilometers. Despite its relatively deep origin, the quake generated intense shaking that was felt across several northern Chilean cities, including Antofagasta and Iquique.
No, todavía no paro.
Wow, acaba de ver.
Videos circulating on social media captured dramatic moments as the earthquake began. Inside supermarkets, shelves violently shook before products crashed onto the floor. Bottles, groceries, and other merchandise were scattered throughout store aisles, while frightened customers rushed to find safety.
Miren, tremendo sismo acá, en mi casa. Miren, se cayó todo, 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 todo. Horrible. Parecía terremoto. Horrible, horrible. Miren ahí, miren, acá. Mira acá. Ahí.
Additional footage from Calama showed lights swaying violently and people scrambling to evacuate buildings as the powerful tremor intensified. Many residents ran into open areas, fearing possible structural collapses.
Oh, puta madre, weón. Qué weá, hermano.
Ya, son las 5 de la tarde con 53 minutos. Está temblando aquí en Antofagasta, pero un sismo un poco...
The situation also became tense in the mining zones of the Antofagasta region. Reports indicated that landslides occurred at one mining site following the earthquake. Emergency protocols were immediately activated, and workers were evacuated as a precautionary measure. Fortunately, initial reports stated that no injuries were recorded among the workers, although minor damage was reported in several areas.
¿Lo despertó el remedón?
¿Esto queréis templar?
No funciona. Vale, José, fuerte y dato. Hay equipo, cualquier condición diferente que tenga en la mina, por favor, avisarla. Los todos alejados de las casas. Retenido, muchachos, retenido. Hasta que pase la evolución. Está ya pasando.
The earthquake's impact became even more serious when nearly 70% of Calama experienced a major power outage shortly after the tremor. Large sections of the city were left in darkness, while emergency crews worked rapidly to inspect infrastructure and ensure public safety. Although the earthquake triggered widespread panic and strong shaking throughout northern Chile, authorities reported no immediate fatalities or serious injuries. However, residents were urged to remain alert due to the possibility of aftershocks. Chile is known as one of the world's most seismically active countries because it sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, an area frequently affected by powerful earthquakes and volcanic activity. The country has experienced several devastating earthquakes throughout modern history. As night fell, more videos from Calama and Antofagasta continued spreading across social media, showing minor structural damage, fallen merchandise, and the frightening moments immediately after the quake struck.
Simba.
Many residents described the shaking as extremely powerful, despite the earthquake's deep underground epicenter. The event once again served as a reminder of nature's overwhelming force and how quickly disaster can strike without warning. Residents across northern Chile are now attempting to return to normal while awaiting further updates from authorities regarding the post-earthquake situation.
No, si yo sentí eso, por eso yo me puse.